ጤና ይስጥልኝ. Hope all is well. ዝንብ ከቅራቅንቦ ውስጥ አውጥታ she ran errand. እኛም unfortunately ወሬ ከአንድ ቦታ ወስደን ስራችን ማባዛት ሆኗል. and ከሪሌሽንሺፓችንም ጋር የምናወራው ወሬ ከባላችን ጋር ከሚስቶቻችን ጋር የምናወራው ወሬ ራሱ it's hurting the relationship very very much. ልጅ እያለን እኛ ቤት ለምሳሌ ስልክ ያለን አባታችን ጋር ደውዬ ጋሼ ሰለሞን ከደረጃ ላይ ወድቋል ምን ነው ይላል በደና ነው አዎ በደና ነው እቤትና እሺ ስልኩ ተዘጋ ወርዳችን በጣም ውድ ነበር ኢቭን እቤት እንግዳ ቢመጣ ለሴ በሳምንት ሁለቴ ይመጣሉ ቡና ይፈላላቸዋል ሁሉም ስለራሱ worthiness ተጠንቅቆ ነው የሚያወራው ከዛ ሲጨርሱ ባርከው ቤቱን ልጆቹን ባርከው they are on the way. So let's get to how we can have amazing relationship. This would guarantee your safe relationship, literally. Okay? So what do? Is you go to your nearest bookstore, you buy your tea or your latte, scribito na ወረቀት ይዛችሁ, you read a book like a note to a friend. It's only short book not. Or Wayne Dyer's መጽሐፍ. It doesn't even have to be about relationship መጽሐፍ. Don't make it complicate. Something that would inspire you. And those መጽሐፍ ውስጣችን ውስጥ ያለውን ሊቅ ይቀሰቅስልናል. So that way we know what to do. So ቤት ገብተን የቀሰምነውን እንደ ንብ ከባላችን ጋር ዲስከስ እናደርጋለን ጎላችንን የሪሌሽንሺፕ ጎል ራሱ ያስፈልገዋል within. And also I just remember to mention to you before you go to the bookstore when ቁጭ ብላችሁ set your attention. Don't limit yourself. Say I want an amazing relationship. ከሚስቴ ጋር ከባሌ ጋር amazing የሆነ. Okay? And so basically what you're doing is ከሚስት ወይም ከባል ቀስ ብላችሁ መሪውን መቀበል. Okay? And to go back even running errand. Now you are nib, let's say. Those discussions, you can inspire ጓደኞቻችሁን ቶናችሁን conversationአችሁን በመቀየር. So your word becomes very important. All right? And also, just keep in mind, while you have relationship-አችሁን, when I say መሪ ይዛችሁ, means ባላችሁ ማወቅ ሚስታችሁ ማወቅ የለባትም. And the more when we drive, we shouldn't be reckless. Another word meaning you stop being inspired and so sudden now, So let's drive our relationship safely as well. Welcome.
mother's face, my father's heart. A good day when the fall rains start. A feeling you find no matter how far you've gone. The thing you can't quite put your finger